In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Canva. If you've ever created a Canva presentation or multi-page design and thought, I don't want this page to show up right now, but I also don't want to delete it. Hiding a page is exactly what you need. It lets you keep that content in your file, but skip it when you're presenting or exporting, depending on your use case. First, go ahead and open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any multi-page design, like a presentation, a workbook, or even a multi-page social media template. Once your design loads, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see your pages laid out as small cards or tiles, each one representing a different page in your project. Take a moment to scroll through these page thumbnails and find the specific page you want to hide. It might help to click on it once so you can double check that it's the correct page in the main editing area. This is especially important in larger designs where many pages might look similar. When you found the page you want to hide, move your mouse over its thumbnail at the bottom. Now, right-click directly on that page thumbnail. A small menu will appear with several options you can apply to that page. From this menu, look for the option that says Hide Page. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you do, Canva will mark that page as hidden. The visual indicator can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but you'll usually notice some kind of subtle change on the page thumbnail that shows it's no longer active in a normal sequence. Once the page is hidden, it won't appear when you're in presenter view. That means even if you're already presenting, you won't see that page, and you won't be able to switch to it while moving through your slides. This is really useful if you have backup slides, notes, or alternate versions that you want to keep in your file without showing them to your audience. If you ever change your mind and want that page to show again, you can simply right-click on the same thumbnail and look for the option to unhide or show the page, depending on how Canva labels it at that time. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly hide a page in Canva while keeping it safely in your design for later use.